Now, if you have paint leaking out of the front of your sprayer, there's a few things you can check. Always check that the union nut is tight, otherwise you won't get a proper seal around the needle. Now, before investigating any further, depressurize your system, remove your turbine and slowly unscrew your paint container, and you'll hear the air release from here. There are three components to your nozzle. So putting your nozzle together correctly, firstly check that the red washer is in position. And if you look very closely, you'll see a little groove on there. Now that needs to be facing forward once it's fitted into position. And you can check that your nozzle is in perfect condition by looking all around here to see if there's no cracks or any damage whatsoever. Then the nozzle itself has 4 little gaps taken out of here. You can use any one of them. That has to sit on top of this little nodule sitting in there, and you press it down. That white needle should just close the end of there. You don't want to see any more of that. If there's a little chunk out of that in any way, this nozzle will need replacing. Pull it nice and tight. Just place the air cap on top at any position at the moment. Then your union nut will slide over. You can screw that in by hand. You don't need to use any tools, making it tight enough to allow you to still be able to move the air cap. If you're still having any issues, you may need to contact Wagner. You can get product support on our social media platforms as well as through the website.